Excel challenge. Concatenate. Use the concatenate function in an Excel spreadsheet. This task will demonstrate how you can join 3 text strings into one text string. A link to the template that's used in this challenge task is available in the description of this video. Step 1 is to download the concatenate template for this task. Step 2, open the template and click on the Formula tab. Step 3, click on cell D3. Step 4, click on Insert Function. Step 5, type in concatenate in the Search for a Function text box. Step 6, click the Text 1 text box and then click on cell C3. Step 7, click the Text 2 text box and add double quotation marks with a space between them. Step 8, click the Text 3 text box and then click on cell B3. Step 9, click the Text 4 text box and add double quotation marks with a space between them. Step 10, click the Text 5 text box and then click on cell A3. Step 11, add the function to the entire document. Step 12, left click with your mouse on the lower right corner of cell D3. Step 13, while holding down the left mouse button, drag the highlighted box to the last row containing data and then release the mouse button. So that completes the task. And while this is a basic example of concatenate, that function is used in apps every day. You may be using it and you don't know you're using it. So hopefully you learned something new with Microsoft Excel. A link to our Facebook page is in the description of this video. You can also visit our website at challengetask.com for additional information and details regarding these challenge tasks. Please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.